Hello everyone. Dear friends, during this COVID-19 pandemic situation, at present more than 60,000 people lost their lives in India due to COVID-19. Out of these, only 394 people died due to non-COVID reasons. Now we can imagine what is the severity of this COVID-19 pandemic situation. By the end of July 2020, more than 80,000 people claimed health insurance from non-life insurance companies. It's almost 1,300 crore amount. Those who bought the insurance, they claimed under those policies. Those who don't have any policies, health insurance policies, where they have to go, what they have to do during this financial crisis. Now, that's why IRDAI mandated each and every non-life insurance companies to bring a health insurance which is related to COVID-19 so that even poor people can afford to buy that insurance. Yes, dear friends, I'm Dr. Maria Pramila, founder of Wealth to Life. I request you all to like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Dear friends, today I am going to talk about Corona Kavach and Corona Rakshak policy. What is Corona Kavach policy? Corona Kavach is a indemnity policy where we are able to get hospitalization bills under this policy. Now, any person from 18 years to 65 years, they can take this policy as an individual basis. And the children from day 1 to 25 years, they too can take a policy if they are dependent along with their parents as a floater basis. Now, any person who is admitting minimum 24 hours in a hospital for COVID and he should have a COVID positive 19 report from government authorized labs, they can take this policy. And the sum insured varies from 50,000 to 5 lakh rupees. Term varies from 3.5 months, 6.5 months and 9.5 months. Now, what are the features of this policy? They will cover 15 days of pre-hospitalization, 30 days of post-hospitalization, 2,000 rupees of ambulance charges, Ayush treatment. Ayush means Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, Homeopathy treatment which is taken for COVID-19 from government authorized Ayush centers, and comorbid conditions also covered under this policy. What is the meaning of comorbid conditions? That is, any person who is having existing disease or any new disease occurred during COVID-19 and they have taken a treatment for that diseases along with COVID-19, that is also covered under this policy. Now, along with that, hospital cash benefit they have given, that is 0.5% of hospital cash. If suppose I have taken 5 lakh rupees of policy, I can able to take 22,500 rupees per day hospitalization benefit cash by paying additional premium up to maximum 15 days. And there is 5% discount for COVID-19 warriors. Now, who cannot take this policy? Those who traveled abroad where Government of India has restricted the traveling, and those who are taking treatment outside India and daycare procedures. These are not covered under these policies. Now, what is Corona Rakshak policy? Corona Rakshak is a benefit policy. That means they are giving lump sum amount. Only thing they have to provide COVID-19 positive report from government authorized labs and 72 hours hospitalization. Whereas in Corona Kavach, it is 24 hours hospitalization. And it has to be taken only as an individual basis, not as a floater basis. And the sum insured varies here 50,000 to 2.5 lakh. If my bill is 5 lakh rupees, I am eligible to take only 2.5 lakh. I have taken 2.5 lakh sum insured. And if my bill is 550,000, I am eligible to take 2.5 lakh rupees if I have taken 2.5 lakh rupees sum insured. Now, these are the different features of Corona Kavach and Corona Rakshak policy. Now, if we see the data, at present, after coming these COVID-19 specific policies, 15 lakh people has taken this Corona Kavach and Corona Rakshak policies. Now, we may have one question. Who has to take Corona Rakshak and Corona Kavach policy? Why it is important to take immediately? The important thing I missed out. If I take a policy today, I am not eligible to take a claim immediately. Yes, we have to wait 15 days. 15 days of waiting period is there in both Corona Kavach and Corona Rakshak policies. So, it is better to take as early as possible before COVID affect us. Now, who has to take this policy? If I have any existing insurance policies, still I can take this policy, because if you people have any health insurance, please check your sum insured. If you are having minimum like 3 lakh or 5 lakh as a floater basis, it is not at all sufficient for your entire family. So that's why it's better to take Corona Kavach policy as an individual basis for each member, at least for 3 lakh to 5 lakh rupees. Now, if any person who don't have any existing policy, existing health insurance policies, then please go for one basic health insurance policy if you are able to afford it, because it will cover COVID-19 as well as other diseases also. We don't know what disease comes, what illness will come to whom and which time. So that's why it's important to have one basic health insurance policies. At this present situation, if you are not able to afford health insurance policy as a base health insurance policy, then please go for a Corona Kavach policy. The premium will be maximum 3,000 rupees for 5 lakh for 9.5 months up to 65 years. Those who have base insurance policy, they can take Corona Kavach as well as Corona Rakshak policy also. Those who have Corona Kavach policy, they too can take Corona Rakshak policy, because it is a benefit policy. They are giving lump sum amount. As we know, in base policy, consumables are not covered, but here we can cover that amount from Corona Rakshak policy. Dear friends, if you think this is important information, it has to reach many people, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any more queries related to COVID-19 specific policies, please WhatsApp me on 890-4820-166. Dear friends, don't wait until it affects your family and it will take away your hard-earned money. So, think now, act immediately. Very soon, I am coming with new video that is very important video. Insurance is for protection, that is not for an investment. See you soon. Bye-bye.